Hello student, good morning. Today we are going to learn class 12th chemistry. Today's our topic is lesson number 4, chemical kinetics. Student, the branch of chemistry in which the rate of reaction and their mechanism are studied is called chemical kinetics. The word kinetics is derived from the Greek word kinetics, which means movement. On the basis of speed or velocity, chemical reaction can be classified into three categories: very fast reaction, very slow reaction, and slow reaction or moderate reaction. Very fast reaction. Those reactions which take place very rapidly, like on mixing silver nitrate solution to sodium chloride solution, then a white precipitate of silver chloride is formed immediately. This reaction occur very fast in 10 raised to minus 14 to 10 raised to minus 12 second and called fast reaction. Very slow reaction. Those reactions which proceed very slowly and take day, month or year for completions are called slow reaction. For example, rusting of iron. Moderate reaction or slow reaction. The reaction which take place with moderate speed, neither very fast nor very slow, are called moderate reaction. For example, hydrolysis of ester, inversion of sugar, decomposition of hydrogen peroxide, etc. Student, generally we study kinetics of third types of reaction, slow reaction. Rate of reaction. As the speed of an automobile is expressed in terms of distance covered by it in certain period of time, similarly the rate speed of a reaction is expressed as the change in concentration of a reactant or product in unit timing. Definition: the rate of a reaction is equal to the change in concentration of reactant or product in unit time interval, or change in concentration of reactant and product in unit time is called rate of reaction. It is denoted by capital R. Suppose the concentration of reactant is C and the concentration of product is X, then rate of reaction with respect to reactant equal minus dC upon dt, and the rate of reaction with respect to product equal dx upon dt. Minus sign used because the concentration of reactant decreases with time. Rate of reaction when reaction involving different stoichiometric coefficient of reactant and product. For example, a general chemical reaction AA plus BB equal XX and YY, where A and B is the reactant and X and Y is the product. Then the rate of reaction equal minus 1 upon A dA upon dt equal minus 1 upon B dB upon dt equal 1 upon X dx upon dt equal 1 upon Y dy upon dt. Therefore, rate of disappearance of A dA upon dt equal A x rate of reaction. Rate equation and rate constant. Generally, the rate of reaction is directly proportional to the concentration of reactant. Means the rate of reaction depend on the concentration of reactant. The general form of rate equation for a reaction is dC upon dt equal Kcn, where C mean concentration of reactant at the time of measuring rate and N is called order and K is the rate constant or specific reaction rate. Order of reaction. Reaction and their rate equation as expected from law of mass action. According to law of mass action, the rate of any chemical reaction is directly proportional to the product of reactant and product. Suppose A reactant change into product, then the rate of reaction R is directly proportional to Ca. Ca means concentration of reactant A. Similarly, A plus B change into product, then rate of reaction R is directly proportional to concentration of A and concentration of B. Reaction first is first order reaction and second is second order. Molecularity of a reaction. Student, complex reaction proceed in various steps, of which some steps are very fast and some steps are slow. Any chemical reaction cannot be completed without the slowest step. Thus, the slowest step is the rate determining step. Definition of molecularity. Number of molecules participate in the rate determining steps of a chemical reaction is called molecularity of reaction. For example, oxidation of hydrogen bromide involve 3 steps. Difference between order of reaction and molecularity of reaction. First, order is number of concentration term appearing in rate equation. Molecularity of reaction. Molecularity is number of molecules take part in each steps of reaction. Order of reaction was second. Order is an experimentally determinable quantity. Molecularity of reaction is a theoretical concept. Number third, order of reaction may be fractional, 0 or whole number. Molecularity of reaction is always whole number. Number 4, knowledge of order does not require knowledge of mechanism. Molecularity of reaction में knowledge of molecularity require a knowledge of mechanism. Order of reaction depend on external factors like Pt governing the reaction. Molecularity does not depend on such factors. Half-life period of reaction. Value of half-life period of a reaction is characteristics of the order of reaction. Half-life period of a reaction can be defined as half-life period of a reaction is the time in which concentration of reactants become half of the initial concentration of reactant. Or half-life period of a reaction is time in which half reaction is completed. Half-life period is represented by T1 by 2. For a first order reaction, half-life period can be calculated according to first order reaction. K equal 2.303 upon T log 10 A upon A minus X, equation number first. Or T equal 2.303 K log 10 A upon A minus X, where A equal initial concentration of reactant and A minus X concentration of reactant after T time. According to the definition of half-life period, T equal T half and A minus X equal A by 2. After T half time, concentration of reactant remain half of the initial. Substituting the value of T and A minus X in equation number 2, then T half equal 2.303 upon K log 10 A upon A by 2, or T half equal 2.303 upon K log 10 log 2 base 10. T half equal 0.693 upon K. Half-life period of first order reaction is independent of initial concentration. Half-life period of first order reaction T 1 by 2 equal 0.693 upon K.